What's up, everybody? I'm finna show y'all how I did this taper on these 360 waves. This was pretty much an easy little taper. You know, I already took the hair down to one guard, and now I'm just fading and completing the whole taper, you know, so we can head on to that lineup and get the overall look. I just wanted to show y'all, man, because I know this is a good taper every time I do his haircut, and I just wanted to share it with the world. But y'all stay tuned, hit that like button, comment, subscribe if you're new, and let's just enjoy my artwork. Yes, sir. Y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think about this beautiful low taper wave haircut down below. He got 360s on top. I went with a one guard, and I gave him a low bald taper with a nice crispy edge up. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this whole transformation, this taper that I showed y'all, and how do y'all like my technique when I cut hair. But until then, if y'all new, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you've been already here, you already know what to do. Like this video, share this video, and stay tuned, people. Subscribe.